nestled at the foot of Mt. Asama in the lush Sengataki Villa district of Karuizawa, Japan. This home offers more than just a peaceful retreat. Designed by Norari Works for a couple in their 50s who reside in Tokyo with their 2 daughters, the house serves a multitude of purposes. A year-round home, a second villa, a remote work hub, and a place to host friends and extended family. It was thoughtfully conceived to accommodate diverse living scenarios, including the possibility of multi-generational living and future inheritance. The site itself posed a unique challenge. Set on gently sloping terrain surrounded by dense greenery, the property offers views of a valley and a flowing creek, but also endures harsh winters with temperatures dipping below -10 degrees Celsius. The architects worked within the strict environmental regulations of Karuizawa, preserving every tree on site and adhering to setback and height restrictions. The design also integrates an existing walking trail, ensuring a respectful relationship with the surrounding landscape. At the heart of the house is a central dining area, open and filled with natural light thanks to a double-height ceiling and large openings. From this core, different spaces unfold, each tailored to unique experiences. There's a living room that opens to the creek, a bedroom with barrier-free access, a room overlooking the slope, and another offering high privacy. These varied spatial conditions create a home rich in atmosphere and functionality. On the upper level, a multipurpose area called the pallet space was created to serve various needs. It can be a second living room, a home office, a guest bedroom, a corridor, or even a storage zone. Thanks to a split-level layout, this space visually and spatially connects with the ground floor, while also providing expansive views of the surrounding forest. It is a flexible zone that responds to the changing needs of the family. Thermal comfort is a priority here. To cope with Karuizawa's cold winters, the house combines underfloor insulation with a total heat exchange system both under the floor and in individual rooms. A pellet stove in the living room becomes the emotional heart of the home during the winter season, offering not just warmth, but also the calming flicker of firelight while snow blankets the world outside. House at the foot of MT. Asama is a shining example of how architecture can harmonize with nature while responding to complex, evolving lifestyles. With its thoughtful planning, flexibility, and serene relationship with its environment, this house isn't just a place to live. It's a place that grows and adapts with the people who call it home.